Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. And today's tip is to seek a prop from nature that is particularly attuned to the world in a way that you are not. So maybe it's attuned to something that you can't attune to, or it's just more attuned or more easily attuned or highly attuned or whatever to the world than you are. So for example, there's a couple of feathers on the lawn this morning, and these are going to be more attuned to the air molecules than I am, certainly at this density, right? And so I'm just going to try and make use of those to kind of help me become a little bit more aware of the umwelt of another being, so I can use that as a sort of empathetic sort of connection, or also just kind of as a drive for me, like, okay, there's more to this than I'm readily sensing, right? I think that was a falcon that just flew by. Do you need these back? That's pretty amazing. And so just trying to find a way to practice with these natural props so that they expand your view of the possibilities in the world, the different sort of strata of sensations, the different ways that the world can be felt and moved in and move you. So enjoy that, and please add into the comments. Let me know what you noticed, what you think, what you felt, what you used, what you found, and if you can subscribe and like and comment and donate and all that, it would go a long way. Thank you very much. Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way, and if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.